Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Study Success series. I'm here to guide you through this episode. If you're new here, then be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an upload. And do forget to stick around for the end of this video because I have a special announcement for you. So without any further delay, let's dive straight into today's topic. Today we'll be discussing 4 powerful note-taking techniques that will turn your studying into a smarter and more effective process, whether you're a student, professional, or anyone looking to learn more effectively. These techniques will help you retain information, study smarter, and achieve better results. But before we begin, I've got a question for you. Which note-taking method do you currently use? Let us know in the comments below. We're super curious to hear from you. Let's get started. The first technique is the Cornell method. The Cornell method is a very popular and effective note-taking strategy developed by Walter Polk, an American educator. This method encourages active listening and engagement while studying. It's particularly useful when taking lectures or watching educational videos. To implement the Cornell method, start by drawing a vertical line down the center of your paper, dividing it into 2 equal columns. The left column is for notes and the right column is for keywords. During your class or study session, write down notes on the left side of the page, summarizing key points and leaving space for additional notes. Avoid writing incomplete sentences and focus on using bullet points, keywords, and diagrams to represent your ideas. Once you've finished your initial notes, review them and identify the most important keywords and concepts. Write these down in the right column. These keywords should act as reminders to jog your memory when you're revising. Finally, at the bottom of the page, summarize the main points you've learned in your own words. This helps to solidify your understanding of the material. After class, take some time to review and expand on the notes you've taken. Use different colored highlighters to emphasize important points and draw connections between the notes and keywords section. The Cornell method is highly effective because it promotes active learning and involves summarizing, organizing, and reviewing information. By using this technique, you'll be able to process information more deeply and retain knowledge for a longer period of time. The second note-taking technique is mind mapping. Mind mapping is a fantastic way to visualize and connect ideas. It allows you to see the big picture and understand how individual concepts fit within a larger framework. To create a mind map, start with a central idea or concept in the middle of the page. Write this down in a box or circle and make it visually appealing with colors or drawings. Then branch out from the center, connecting ideas and subtopics using lines or arrows. Each branch should have a specific topic, and you can further subdivide topics as needed. Use different colors for each branch to distinguish between ideas and highlight important points. You can also add images, symbols, and keywords to your mind map to make it more engaging and memorable. Mind mapping is an excellent tool for brainstorming, planning, and problem solving. It helps to stimulate creativity, improve memory, and enhance critical thinking skills. Moving on to the third note-taking technique, highlighting and symbols. Highlighting and using symbols in your notes is an effective way to quickly identify key information and make your notes more visually appealing. By using color and symbols, you can draw attention to important points and make your notes more scannable. To use this technique, first go through your notes and identify the most important points. Use a highlighter to emphasize these points. You can use different colors to highlight different types of information, such as green for definitions, blue for examples, and red for important formulas or concepts. In addition to highlighting, you can also use symbols to draw attention to key points. Some common symbols include asterisks, exclamation marks, and arrows. For example, you might use an asterisk to denote important concepts and an arrow to show relationships between ideas. You can also use symbols to represent different types of information, such as a light bulb for an example, or a magnifying glass for a key term. Using color and symbols in your notes makes them more visually appealing and easier to scan, which can help you remember information more quickly. It's an effective study technique that can be used in conjunction with other methods, such as the Cornell method or mind mapping. And now let's move on to the fourth note-taking technique, digital note-taking. Digital note-taking is becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. It offers a convenient and flexible way to take notes and study. With a digital note-taking app, you can easily type out your notes and organize them into different folders for easy access. You can also use formatting options such as bolding, underlining, and changing colors to highlight important points. One of the biggest advantages of digital note-taking is the ability to search through your notes quickly and easily. You can use keywords to find specific information, which is especially helpful when you're preparing for an exam or trying to remember a specific detail. Additionally, digital notes are automatically saved, so you won't have to worry about losing them or misplacing them like you would with physical notebooks. You can also share your notes electronically with classmates or friends, which can be helpful for collaboration and group study sessions. Overall, digital note-taking is a versatile and convenient way to stay organized and study effectively. So if you haven't already, consider giving it a try. Now that we've covered all 4 note-taking techniques, it's time for a quick recap. We discussed the Cornell method, mind mapping, highlighting and symbols, and digital note-taking. Each of these techniques has its own unique benefits and can be useful in different situations. The Cornell method is great for organizing information and promoting active learning. Mind mapping is excellent for visualizing ideas and making connections. Highlighting and symbols can help you quickly identify key points. And digital note-taking is convenient and allows for easy organization and searching. As we wrap up this video, we want to leave you with one final piece of advice. The best note-taking technique is the one that works best for you. Experiment with different methods and find what helps you learn and remember information most effectively. Also, don't forget to use color, images, and other visual aids to make your notes more engaging and memorable. Remember, notes aren't just about writing down information. They're about learning and understanding concepts. Now it's time for our exciting announcement. The next episode in the Study Success series is just around the corner. We'll be sharing time management hacks to help you study smarter, not harder. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an upload. And check back soon to see when episode 10 drops. That's a wrap for today's episode. We hope you found these note-taking techniques helpful. Remember, effective note-taking is a key component of the study smarter, not harder philosophy. In the next episode, we'll dive into time management tips to help you make the most of your study time. So stay tuned. Before we go, we want to hear from you. Which note-taking technique is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time.